My name's Janet Rees. I run Cwtch Cymru Barry, which is a peer support group for members suffering mental health issues, mostly anxiety and depression. We do different courses, we do all sorts of things with the group to build their confidence, self-esteem, make them more aware of what's going on outside as well in the communities.
I'm a member of Cwtch Cymru. We do bits of volunteering, so today we're doing something with the Red Box project, I think it's called, and then because we do all the volunteering and we put in the time, then we get time credits and then we can spend them around the Vale, in Barry Memo.
Their confidence, I notice their confidence is building now and they're getting more involved, they're more committed to the group, and yeah, it's amazing, fair play.
So everyone in the group earns something, whether that's making tea for everybody or some people have got craft skills, cookery skills.
We've got plans now to go to different gardens with our time banking credit. It has helped a lot, it really has. It's made a big difference because we don't always have the funds to do these things. So we can use the time banking credits to go different places, do different things. It's going to help us a lot, it really is.
To be able to go somewhere for like the day and take like a picnic, you know, make a day of it, for us is like, you know, invaluable because we don't get many opportunities like that.